Hi, I'm Amber of the Little Reeser House, where we like to celebrate the little things that make our house our home. Today I'm going to be kicking off a new series here on my channel over the summer that highlights some of my favorite poolside cocktail recipes. Whenever the summertime rolls around, I find I'm less motivated to work on home projects inside and instead spend the little bit of time we have in our Canadian summers outside in the beautiful sunshine. When we purchased our home a few years ago, it already had an in-ground pool, and we like to use it to host our friends and family for the occasional pool party. And one of the most simple pleasures to enjoy by the pool is a nice, refreshing cocktail. So that brings me to today's video. I'm going to show you how to make what I like to call the Ruby Red. This is a cocktail I recently tried, and I love how easy it is to pull together. This would be the perfect cocktail to serve at a backyard barbecue or a pool party because it requires very minimal prep, it's super refreshing, and it's fairly inexpensive using only a few key ingredients. So let's get to it. To make the Ruby Red, you will need some pure Ruby Red grapefruit juice, Cointreau or Triple Sec, which is an orange-flavored liqueur, a bottle of sparkling wine, any kind will do, ice, and a grapefruit for garnish. This cocktail doesn't even require any special bar equipment, so it's great for beginners. To make the cocktail, first fill a lowball glass with 4 to 5 ice cubes. We're going to make this cocktail have a pretty ombre effect by intentionally adding our ingredients slowly. Pour a 1/4 cup of Ruby Red grapefruit juice over the ice cubes. Next, add a tablespoon of Cointreau. Top up the glass with sparkling wine, adding approximately 3/4 of a cup. Pop on a grapefruit slice for garnish, and voila! Isn't she pretty? That is seriously all it takes. Repeat the process for as many as you need and keep them coming. The ombre is beautiful, but you may want to give it a swizzle before drinking to allow the ingredients to combine. Of course, you don't need a pool to enjoy this cocktail. It tastes just as refreshing on a front porch as you catch up with a girlfriend, or on a patio with a group of pals, or as a fun summer date night drink. However you enjoy it, just make sure you are responsible and never drink and drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you like it and leave a comment down below if you are going to attempt the Ruby Red this weekend. You can follow along with us on our Instagram or our blog. I'll link both below, or you can subscribe right here on YouTube. We appreciate you and hope that you remember that the best things in life are often the little things, like sipping on a Ruby Red as you soak up some vitamin D with your pals. Bye, friends.